Superlatives. Scaling new heights in English. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to talk about an important concept in English grammar: superlative adjectives and adverbs. They help us make comparisons and distinguish the highest degree or the utmost level of something. So, let's jump right in. Superlative adjectives describe the highest degree of something in a group or category. They're used when the speaker wants to highlight that one thing or person is superior or inferior to all others in some way. For instance, we say, John is the tallest person in the class. Here, tallest is a superlative adjective. Superlatives can be formed in two ways. 1. By adding est to the end of the adjective, for most one-syllable adjectives and some two-syllable adjectives, e.g., the brightest star. 2. By adding most or least before the adjective, for most adjectives of two or more syllables, e.g., the most interesting book. Superlative adverbs describe the highest degree of an action. They tell us how, when, where, and why something happens, but in a superlative degree. For instance, she runs fastest of all. Just like adjectives, superlative adverbs can be formed in two ways. 1. By adding est to the end of the adverb, for most one-syllable adverbs, e.g., she arrived first. 2. By adding most or least before the adverb, for most adverbs of two or more syllables, e.g., he performed the task most efficiently. There are a few irregular superlatives that don't follow the rules we discussed earlier. The three most common are: 1. Good becomes best. 2. Bad becomes worst. 3. Far becomes furthest. Now that we know the rules, let's practice using superlatives. Of all the students, Mary works blank hard. John is the blank person I know. Kind. This is the blank day of my life. Happy. Feel free to pause the video and think about your answers. That's it for today's lesson on superlative adjectives and adverbs. I hope this helps you scale new heights in your English language journey. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep using these structures until they become second nature. Keep learning and keep growing. Until our next lesson, goodbye.